Hello. Now today what I want to talk about is in-shop air tools and the most cost-effective way of going about it. Some of you might think, oh, it's a very expensive thing to do and why bother just for a few bits that I can manage with a battery tool. Well, because you can expand on it. Once you've got it set up properly, if you can do it economically, then initially you've not had to bust the bank just to do it. And then secondly, you can start adding tools that are simple, easy and a lot more cost efficient than buying battery tools. So going down that road, first thing we need to look at is just the basic things to start with, like the compressor. Now I got this one from Aldi, very cheap, 60 odd quid. Now it's not a massive one, it's not going to do your tools loads and loads and for a long time, it'll just keep kicking on when you need it. But it's only you, you're not a big shop. You won't use, no matter what air tools you've got, you're not going to use them sustained for a long time, and if you are, you're probably better off getting an electric tool inside, you might as well. This one, 24 litres, they call it 25, but it's 24 litres, it's 8 bar pressure, which is more than what you need, really. You've got 2 outlets, and everything there is set, it's all purpose built. For the money, 70 quid, everything is there. Just plug it in and it does your way, no problem. The only problem I do have in a workshop with these, 97 decibels, that's quite loud to have bursting in your ears all the time. You've got ear defenders on. So, and it's kicking on all the time. When you're using a power tool, you put your headphones on and take them back off again as soon as you finish and it's done. This, you don't know when it's going to come on, so it's going to keep kicking at you. Next thing, some basic tools. The first things you need, obviously, is air lines. Now you just buy, here's a 10 metre one, nice soft flexible one. You use that for, say, pumping up your car tyres, because that's an advantage. You never have to hand pump a car tyre again. So, pumping up your car tyres. Then have a 5 metre one for using in the shop. It's a lot more convenient. Now, pumping up your tyres, you'll need a pump of some kind. I use this one. It's very simple, very easy, just plugs into it, onto your tyre, squeeze, 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 water pressure gauge that comes out of there. Very cheap, look on eBay. And in a workshop, what do you need after you've done sanding? What we normally can't do. Blow the bloody dust away, eh? Brilliant. So, there's your 2 essentials. And these, you're talking pounds. Nothing, very cheap items. Then the only other tools I find I need, I mean forget the drilling, forget the sanding, all that sort of stuff should be left to something more powerful. We don't need that. How about a nail gun that does 50mm nails? Yeah? And it does them simply, easily. And Amazon, 20 quid. 20 quid for a nail gun. 20 quid. Hey? And I'll show you later just how powerful one of these things can be. Stapler. Nice size staples. No problem at all. Again, 20 quid. Come on. We're not out, are we? You know, you could break one of these every month and you'd be not out. So, cost efficient. The only thing I would say is you need to say to yourself, yeah, I'm going to commit my workshop to put an air system in, or you're going to be dragging this ugly looking big everything, noisy everything around all the time because it's in the way. Commit yourself, get yourself set up properly. It's a one-off job to do, and once you've done it, it's brilliant, and that's it. So first thing you want to do is get rid of the noisy thing from the workshop. You don't want it here. What I've done is out here in the compound, which is attached to the workshop, I've installed the compressor here. On the wall here I've got what used to be an outdoor socket, which means it's powered from inside from a separate isolator, so I can turn it on and off from inside without having to come out here. And I put a pipe from here straight through into the workshop. So everything is on, set, ready. All I have to do, throw the switch inside and it starts building up pressure. When I need it, air on demand inside. Keeps the noise at bay. Then what I did, as you can see, that's the yellow pipe coming in from outside. I put a coupling on it, I've got that there, put another coupling on it to convert it to 15mm copper pipe. Very easy. You get from DIY shops or go to plumbers merchants and pay a lot less. Then on the copper pipe I started putting these connectors on. Now these are air sockets that will take the pipes, the flexi pipes. So, bit of soldering. If you can't do soldering, you can use a spanner. Buy the couplings, buy the Connex connectors instead. So Connex T's, Connex connectors. Or get a mate that does soldering, see if you can get him to do it for you. And I soldered it around. And you can see, coming in, round to the first socket, it runs along, and along, and along, and down to another socket, just there. And then I elbowed it, and I took it across the ceiling to the main bench, and then it comes down to 2 more sockets there. And that's just above the main bench where I work all the time. So what I've ended up with is it coming in over here, giving me a socket at this end, if I want to use any power tools here, or air tools here. Going across another one here, ideal for the blower, keeps this nice and clean. And then for the main bench. So I've got power to all these, or air to all these, to work these tools. Now, these things fit in very easily. It's done. And now I've got air anywhere I want it. And back out again. Very simple. Then the other day I went to do a project and I was upstairs. I thought, hang about, I didn't do anything there. So I put this one in. Now this one goes upstairs to another socket and I can just simple it. And now I've got air upstairs. And that stays there permanently. So if ever I need it, it's up there. And as you can see, this is upstairs area, and here is my other socket. That pipe just runs straight down. I put these on because I put some rubber on to hold it in place. And not long since fitted it. And I can take that off because that rubber will hold everything solid, not going nowhere. But that means now I can use my air tools up here very easily. Okay, a little demo on the tools just to show you how brilliant these are. First, I need to go and turn it on. And listen, it's out there, can't really hear it. Now the nails, or brads as they're called, come in various sizes. Ones I've got in, I think 35mm. And what I've got here, various packs. Arrow, a little bit on the expensive side. These ones I got from Amazon. And they're the 50mm ones, and it's a box of 5,000, and it cost me a tenner. 5,000 nails for a tenner. Can't complain at that. Right, so it's cost efficient everywhere. Here we've got 15mm, 20mm, 25mm, 35mm. So we're going up quite good sizes. Okay, fine, fair enough. 5/8, 3/4, 1 inch. 1 1/4, 2 inch, where's the 2 1/2 inch, I don't know, but anyway. And then staples, I've only got one set of staples. I've just done all my ceiling up the stairs there, plastic ceiling with these, very, very easy to do. 22mm long. Now they're all 18 gauge, so it's a very common size to get, but I just want to load up and show you. The compressor's gone off, loaded up already. Now I've had about a 100-litre tank there. It takes ages, lots of electric. I put a couple of brads in and then it just had to wait while it all blew itself out again. In it comes. I'll show you the stapler first. And watch, very simple. So as you can see there, clean through. Look at that, very, very easy. Effortlessly, effortlessly, easy. And the nailer. Wow, nice. Almost shoots out this side. Yes, 20 quid. Look at that. very powerful. Send it that way, it's gone. Right in, the full length. 50mm, straight in. So, very powerful tools for what they need to do, and very efficient. Very cost effective, very clean. You've got that noise outside and a bit of electric, a little bit of electric. Everything else is simple and clean and easy to use. And if your tyres go flat, you've always got a good quick way of doing it. And that 10 metres is going to reach. But you can couple these together, so you've got 15 metres. Yeah? Or you can drag the thing out, it's not that heavy. You can drag the thing out and take it to the car. So you'll never have any problem of pumping tyres up again. So all in all, I think very worthwhile. Very simple, very clean, very cheap. Okay, right, well, I think that's about covered everything. If there's all you want me to focus in on and cover in detail, like setting up of these pipes or anything like that, put it in the box at the bottom. Send me an idea, I'll make another video of it. Okay, right, well, thanks for watching us, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.